How to fix touchscreen not working in Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple methods to fix the problem. First, open the Settings app on your computer. Click Accessibility from the left sidebar. Select Mouse Pointer and Touch. Scroll down and turn on Touch Indicator. This helps confirm that Windows is detecting your touch input. Now, click Windows Update from the left menu. Select Advanced Options, then turn on Receive Updates for other Microsoft products. Go back to the Windows Update page and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates, then restart your computer if prompted. After that, click the search icon, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click each device listed and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and allow Windows to install the latest available driver. Repeat this process for every mouse or pointing device listed. If you're using a mouse or touchpad with dedicated software, such as Logitech G Hub, Razer Synapse, or another manufacturer's app, open the software and check for any available firmware or driver updates for your device. Finally, restart your computer to apply all the changes. After your PC restarts, check whether the touchscreen is working properly again. And that's it. That's how you can fix a touchscreen that's not working in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.